Let us understand the step-by-step process on how to give advance payment to supplier in Strategic ERP. In advance payment, under Purchase Management module, select the name of company and supplier name. Based on the selected supplier, select the PO number against which the advance payment will be made. Advance payments can be made using two options. One is advance amount percent and the other is direct advance amount. The advance payment amount cannot exceed the PO value you have selected. For payments based on advance amount percent, select the GST type, if applicable. Enter the advance amount percent. The system will auto-calculate the advance payment amount based on the total PO value. Once you enter the advance amount percent, the advance amount field becomes non-editable and is set to read only. Enter a narration if necessary. Click on Save and follow the necessary steps for approval. In case of advance payment, you can directly add a specific amount against the PO. Enter the advance payment amount directly in the specified field. Add a narration if required. Click on Save and follow the necessary steps for approval. You can directly view the status of payment vouchers, including adjustments for advance notes and debit notes against the bill, if any. The process of advance payment to supplier is now complete.